Eisteddfod Urdd is coming to an end, and what a week it's been. What's your favourite part of the Eisteddfod, Cardiff?
We had a show last night with 400 children were on stage, and they were celebrating Welsh medium education and the growth in the city, and that was fantastic to see all them people owning our national stage, to be honest, and that's the best thing about it.
Interesting thing, I'm backpacking through Europe, so when I got to the airport, everybody's like, you have to try Cardiff Bay, so I was like, okay, let me come and check it out, and there's a lot going on.
You seem to have picked the perfect day for it.
I know,
It's
right?
the Eisteddfod Urdd. Do you know any Welsh?
I do not know any Welsh.
What better opportunity than to teach you some Welsh right now? So to say welcome in Welsh, croeso.
Cross-show.
Competitions and seeing other people competition and just competing every competition.
And imagine this isn't your first Eisteddfod.
No, that's
Well,
right.
obviously you've been to a couple, I'd imagine.
Every
Why do
year.
you think people keep coming back?
Because it's a nice thing to see and enjoy.
You're working today. You're handing out stickers. These stickers. How are you getting on?
Good, I've taken those and thrown to a bin, I've got some more left.
So, do you reckon you will be coming back to see the Eisteddfod Urdd again?
I think I would. There's a lot we can learn from my side of the world as far as encouraging children to perfect their talents. I just listened to a little boy. I honestly thought I was listening to a CD. Like, it was amazing.
It was.
It was.
It was a CD. Yeah, they just whacked it on.
I don't think so. Because he stopped in the middle and it was great. His guitar was great. I'm going to teach you some Swahili.
Okay, go on then.
So how you say thank you is asante.
Asante.
Yay, good job.
Asante Vialasa. Me, multicultural.
I know, right? Good job.